Patuloy na isinusulong ng pamahalaan ng Pilipinas sa mga hakbang para sa proteksyon ng mga teritoryo ng Pilipinas, partikular na ang West Philippine Sea. Ngunit nanindigan ng palasyo na ito'y sa pamamagitan ng legal at diplomatikong paraan. Narito ang report ni Elena Luna.
Hindi tumitigil ang gobyerno sa pakikipaglaban para sa teritoryo ng Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea. Binigyan din ito ng palasyo kasunod ng mga ulat na patuloy ang ginagawang reclamation ng China sa paligid ng Mischief Reef na bahagi ng exclusive economic zone ng bansa.
We strongly oppose any reclamation in the disputed areas. And as you can, if you can recall, when we first learned of the reclamation in that particular area, the Foreign Affairs already was quick to file a diplomatic protest to obviously to protest what was it's obviously intended to change the conditions on the ground. There are many considerations when it comes to this. But again, just allow me to say that after the protest has been filed, we will continue to push. The President has already made a policy decision to continue to abide by the rules-based approach that we have adopted early on.
Ang ginagawang reclamation ng China sa Mischief Reef ay 50 kilometro lamang ang layo sa Ayungin Shoal kung saan nakapwesto ang BRP Sierra Madre ng Marines. Mungkahi ni Magdalo Party List Representative Gary Alejano na dagdagan at dalasan ang nagpapatrolya doon. Ayon kay Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte, walang gagawing pagkilos na magdudulot hanggang tensyon pa sa lugar. Nanindigan ng palasyo na isusulong ng Pilipinas ang legal at diplomatikong paraan.
We have committed to again standing on what is ours. We have also committed to making sure that tensions not to take any steps to increase tensions. What the other guy does is not within our control, but certainly we do not want any heightening of tensions that will lead to putting us in a disadvantageous position.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.